Stay to the left, stay to the left. Oh, that's your first serious fault, yeah.
That's serious fault.
Hey guys, so this time next week, we will know if Dylan has passed or failed his driving test. So today is the 3rd of July and Dylan's test day is on the 10th, next Thursday. So exactly 7 days. How are you feeling?
It's getting real now, isn't it?
Yeah, you've been saying that for the last, what, 4 or 5 lessons? Yeah, it is getting real, yeah.
Real.
Okay, so last lesson we did a mock test.
Yeah.
And how many serious faults did you get?
2.
2. It wasn't bad, it's getting better, isn't it?
Yeah.
From 6 down to,
4.
when we did that short one as well, 15 minutes, you did get 5 serious faults, yeah. Then we did a proper mock test again yesterday, which was 4, no, was it 2?
Yeah,
2.
2.
So the one before that was 4, then 2. So now, again today we planned another mock test because that's how the lesson should be, you know, after we've covered all the topics which we have, it's just mock test format, unless we think you're really struggling with something and then you need more help teaching you that topic. So guys, Dylan has covered everything, done a few mock tests as well, and I'd say he's almost ready. So within the next few lessons we're just trying to just kind of polish up on everything. And the reason why he's got ready so quickly is because he's been taking lessons frequently, so every day or every other day. And the other reason is he's used the Ultimate Driving Course app, so he's basically watched the videos, answered the questions, and he's entered the car with the correct knowledge. Saves me time explaining every topic to him. After lessons he goes and watches it, totally gets it, and we can spend the time on the lessons just on the move. Keep the wheels moving. I say that's how you learn quick. So any of you learning to drive, please download the Ultimate Driving Course. Trust me, it's gonna help you massively. Right then, Dill, so it's the first time you're following the sat nav. Again, you watched the video on that. I'm not gonna start pointing out, look at that, because like I said, you watch the videos, you know it. So the sat nav's on, you're following for the first time. Obviously it's going to be a distraction, and we're going to see how you get on. Okay, how many serious faults today?
1.
Oh, okay. I like how you none of this. No, you've been 0. It's good you're not overconfident. Okay. So I'd be happy with 1 serious fault today. Obviously, every lesson your minors, because your driving's getting obviously more and more better. Improving. There's been less minors every mock test, which is good. Right, move off when you're ready. Turn left. Okay, Dill, overtake please. So that's your first serious fault,
That's serious fault?
Okay, What was that guy doing?
I thought there was a queue here.
Was there a queue?
At the end of the road, turn right.
Look at
You seem a bit frustrated.
Yeah. So that's a serious fault for that?
Right.
Yeah. You're planning your awareness. What if that guy was parked there for the next half an hour? What would you have done? Stayed there?
No, yeah,
Look, taxi drivers, look, nothing against taxi drivers, but I find they cause the most hazards, and they don't make it clear what they're doing. If he had his left signal on, or these hazards on, if something's wrong with his car or whatever, because he wasn't parked up in a very good position either.
Yeah.
Like, any taxi drivers watching, guys, remember, really appreciate what you guys do, but because you're a taxi driver doesn't mean you can just stop the car anyway, okay? At least signal, please. So, if that was Dylan's real test, he would have failed just because, the taxi driver couldn't be bothered to signal. But Dylan, you should be looking further beyond that car. I think, what's this guy doing? Why is he parked there?
Nah, I genuinely thought there was a queue there,
Okay, but there wasn't, was there?
Nah, there was.
Yeah, so is your planning ahead of your judgment there? In some way that would be serious,
Yeah.
Well done, excellent with the mirrors, excellent with the speed. So as we go along, I'm going to obviously point out the faults, yeah, as you do them. Any good things you're doing, I'm going to point those out as well, yeah.
After 200 yards, sharp right, then ahead. Keep left. Sharp right, then ahead. Keep left.
I like how you didn't rush for the signal. See, the instructions given there were a bit earlier than I would give you the instructions, yeah.
Yeah.
Well done.
After 400 yards, turn left. Turn left.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a minor there for your speed, yeah. You started to slow down. I think you were a bit confused which turn you're going to take. Yeah. So it was the second turn. So remember, always look out for the yard. So you started to slow down a bit too early. There's a car behind you. Remember, before you slow down, what are you supposed to do?
Mirror signal.
Yeah. And if you could park up anywhere safe on the left for me. Okay, so your distance from the curb
Should be a bit closer.
it's quite nice. I wouldn't say your normal driving position, yeah, but close because the road's quite narrow.
Yeah.
So another minor for that. Move off when you're ready. That was really good control there. On a hill, and somebody gave you way there, yeah? That's normally the perfect combination for a stall. Okay, that was really good. Okay, we got too close there, yeah? That's what we call shaving of the vehicles, yeah? Okay. Should have got your position to the right. Should have slowed down a bit and got your position to the right a lot earlier. We were too close to the park car. Well, then your position did drift slightly that way, but I'm not going to mark that down because I was happy with how you check your mirror when coming back to the left, yeah? Remember, normal driving position, just keep you to the left, yeah? Doesn't matter how much the road widens. Which mirrors did you forget there, Dill? Yeah. Remember, that got better on the previous lesson, your mirror checks. Did you get those side mirrors that you were missing regularly before?
Yeah.
It's a really good speed you kept on this road. Parked vehicles, oncoming cars. It's quite narrow, loads of people walking about.
After 400 yards, keep left. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
Well done, Dill. So many people missed that giveaway sign, yeah?
Yeah.
That was really good.
left.
If that guy on the scooter had stayed in this,
Turn
stayed
left.
on the road,
Then keep
Yeah.
right.
what would you have done?
Check my mirrors going that lane.
Well done. Good answer. So, signal. Do you think anyone's going to benefit from this signal now?
Nah, because this is a turning left lane.
Yeah. So both these lanes are. If that was going straight, then it's different. Yeah.
Yeah.
But you can only turn left. Yeah. So. Okay. I'm going to switch the sat nav off here now. Yeah. Okay. So I'll give you the directions now. Hold in. Remember the mirrors this time. Okay, we haven't checked the mirrors since entering this new road, yeah? Okay. You've been doing that well though?
Yeah.
Or listen. Right, so you can see there's a roundabout sign ahead, yeah? At that roundabout, I want you to turn right and take the third exit, okay? I'm going to let you know now, it's towards Dudley, and there's going to be 3 lanes on approach, yeah? For our turn, which is the third exit to the right, you can use both the middle lane and the right-hand lane, okay? You got that?
Yeah.
Got to be close to that car, yeah? You should have done that a lot earlier.
Say third exit.
Yeah. Okay, cancel your signal for me. Stay to the left, stay to the left. Don't go over the line. Don't go over the line. It's not this one. Keep going. Keep to the left, Del. Keep to the left. See how you're going over that marking?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah? That's it. Stay in the lane. Okay, so there were 2 serious faults on the roundabout. One was your signal. You kicked your right signal on, yeah. And that car was thinking that we wanted to change lanes. They were holding back for you.
Yeah.
And the other one going over the
line.
the marking. Right. If you could turn right at the lights. And I was doing the approach when I pointed out you did get close to that car as well. Yeah, you should have changed lanes a lot earlier. Both these lanes go to the right. So ideally, which lane should you have chosen? Yeah. But it's not. This is not a fault. Hopefully you understand what it means though, further on.
Yeah, we're going to have to get in the left-hand lane further.
Well done. Good. You know how we always go on about staying to the left. If you do end up in this position, don't panic, yeah? Stick to your lane, and when it's safe, then do what you just mentioned. We're going to continue straight on now. Well done, good choice of lane. which signal should you put on there?
Right.
Yeah. Remember, we were in the left lane.
Okay, yeah.
And then, obviously, it's gone into 1 now, but before he went to 1, you change lanes, yeah. Luckily, that driver behind you, she knew what was going on ahead and held back for you, yeah. So, just a reminder, that could have easily have turned into a serious, yeah, if that car was quite close. You're proper staring in that mirror now, yes, I noticed. Okay, and if you could park up anywhere safe on the left. Excellent, that's a very good position. Yeah, move off when you're ready. Sorry. Okay. Stop moving. So you're rolling forward there, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, avoid that. Sorry, I shouldn't have left. I don't know why I laughed.
No one gave me way. Is that my fault?
No, it's not your fault. Observation is good. Just be patient. If no one's giving you way, there's nothing you can do about it. You had your signal on a busy road. I do recommend having your signal on, yeah, which you did. You're waiting for a safe gap, but when you're waiting for a bit, yeah, don't get impatient. Okay, that's what we're assessing. Yeah, we're actually assessing your patience and obviously your judgment. Yeah, but then don't rush. Make sure that you know when you do decide to go, you don't slow anyone down.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, just park on the right hand side there, Chloe.
Yeah.
That's it. A bit more forward, or a bit more in the shade. Carry on. That's fine there. Stop here. And secure the car. So, see the end of the test still? How do you think you did?
Terrible.
You thought it was terrible?
Yeah, worse than yesterday, obviously.
You reckon it was worse?
I think that, that first serious fault I got.
Yeah.
I think that's what set the tone.
But don't let that set the tone. That's a lesson for you. If you think you've done something wrong, don't let it play on your mind.
Yeah.
Okay, obviously the examiner's not going to tell you the fault as I did, straight away. They're going to tell you at the end of the test. And sometimes learners make a minor fault and they think it's a serious. And then the whole of the test, they just make more mistakes. And I didn't think that was terrible. I want to use the word terrible. Yes, you did obviously make the serious fault at the start, but you learned from it. That could have easily happened on your test.
Yeah. And
there were another 2 serious faults, but those were on that difficult roundabout. Yeah. One was for the signal. So once you change lanes, you signal to change your lane. You should have cancelled it. Yeah. Okay. And if that car wasn't next to you, then that would have been a minor fault. So it all depends on the situation. And then we've learned how to follow spiral markings. Yeah. You've been doing that well, but then that roundabout, I'd say 99% of people do that. Instead of sticking to their lane, they start just drifting over. Okay, just use that pavement as your marker. So those are your 3 serious faults. Like I said, I don't think he was that terrible. With the 3 serious faults, there weren't any minors that kept happening again and again. Minors have reduced again, which is good. So this time next week, we're going to know whether you've passed or failed. So only a few days left now guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.